we can measure the age of the Earth, right? And you measure it from geological processes, radioactive dating and so on, and you can kind of measure the age of the Earth. You can measure the age of the sun in a different way. You can measure it by looking at called helioseismology, so you can measure how much helium is in the core of the sun. And the sun shines by making helium from hydrogen. So by measuring the amount of helium in the core, by looking at basically sound waves, like an earthquake, but sun quakes, you can measure how much helium's in there, so you can get an estimate of the age of the sun. And then you can get an estimate of the age of the universe by measuring how it's expanding and using Einstein's theory. The fact that they all fit with the picture of a universe that's 13.8 billion years old, a sun that's 4.5 billion years old, a planet that's 4.5 billion years old, it's quite an intricate model. It might be wrong. And so you could say, well, I argue with the measurements of the age of the Earth. Maybe I don't like the radioactive dating or something, and people will say that. But the thing is, it's a consistent picture with multiple different observations.